In this educational video, we're going to dive into the wonderful world of vegetarian dieting and its effective integration with belly fat burner supplements. The quest to lose weight doesn't have to be an extreme journey, and this step-by-step guide is here to ensure you enjoy the best science-based fat loss techniques. Dietary guru and fitness expert Abhinav Mahajan provides amazing tips on how to incorporate a vegetarian diet into your daily routine, transforming it into an ultimate belly fat burner. Mahajan presents an easy-to-follow meal plan filled with mouth-watering foods that naturally stimulate fat burning. The video showcases a full day of eating, focusing on how to distribute calories effectively throughout meals, while maintaining a plant-based diet. Learn about high-protein, low-carb foods that can be included in your eating plan, maximizing muscle build, and promoting fat loss. Top secret alert! The highlight of the video is an introduction to an incredible ayurvedic-inspired belly fat burner supplement that aligns perfectly with vegetarian and vegan diets. This natural, plant-based supplement can increase fat burn, promoting faster weight loss without harming your health. Mahajan takes you through a beginner-friendly guide, breaking down the dietary science into easy-to-understand bits. The video also features health guru Luke Coutinho and neuroscientist Andrew Huberman, discussing the most effective ways to integrate supplements into your meal plans, to stimulate fat burn and promote lean body mass. You don't need to starve or resort to extreme exercises with this vegetarian diet and supplement plan. Our expert tips are guaranteed to help you lose weight at home by choosing more nutrient-rich foods and a belly fat burner supplement that works. The stages of this weight loss plan are shown in detail, ensuring that every viewer can follow along at their own pace. This is not just a guide for beginners, but it also caters to intermediate fitness enthusiasts looking to cut down more weight or build muscle on a budget. From calorie counting to protein-packed vegan meals, everything you need to know about vegetarian weight loss is right here. Finally, as an exciting bonus, the video includes a free vegetarian meal plan curated by Abhinav Mahajan himself. It's filled with delicious, plant-based meals that can accelerate weight loss and complement your supplement intake. Whether you're a vegan, a vegetarian, or just someone looking for a healthier lifestyle, this video will open your eyes to a whole new way of eating. The incorporation of belly fat burner supplements into a vegetarian diet is made easy and effective in this comprehensive guide. This isn't just about losing belly fat. It's about creating a sustainable lifestyle that promotes health, muscle growth, and wellness. If you're ready to transform your body and your health, this video is your starting point. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on a healthy, plant-based lifestyle. You'll find your weight loss journey is a lot easier and tastier than you think.